SOLIDWORKS 3D design applications provide dedicated tools and workflows that streamline and enhance your work processes, from early concept design through to fully detailed design, manufacturing, and end-user deliverables. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform connects your entire design ecosystem through unlimited private design communities, helping you capture requirements, ideas, decision points, and customer feedback, documenting your design and keeping everyone informed. For every stage of design, SOLIDWORKS provides the right 3D application for the task at hand. Instinctive workflows and simplified user interactions developed for early concept design make building virtual prototypes with realistic behaviors quick and easy. Simply sketch out component shapes, add springs, motors, and gravity, and watch as your ideas are validated in real time on screen. More complex mechanisms and linkages can be easily validated using lifelike 3D models, so you can be sure your ideas will work up front before committing time and money to the detailed design. Industrial design concepts and consumer products take shape quickly by using the screen as a virtual sketchpad. Simply sketch out your ideas in a natural and instinctive way. You could then realize your ideas in 3D using free-form sculpting techniques. Simply push and pull geometry like virtual modeling clay until you achieve the desired result. Designs could be easily captured and communicated at any time through your design communities, helping you connect with your team more frequently and more effectively, and react quicker to customer feedback. The built-in collaboration tools, common across all applications, enable online access to your design data from anywhere, streamlining the entire design process for geographically dispersed teams, suppliers, and customers. Executives, team leaders, and project managers can also participate in the design process with easy-to-use 3D tools for reviewing and commenting on designs. The SOLIDWORKS 3DEXPERIENCE platform connects your entire design ecosystem, driving product innovation and creating engaging experiences for your customers.